you say we got the audio thing? Say it again.
No, that's not him.
That's right.
It's me. That is me. That's Eli.
That is not you.
It's me. Why?
That's not.
That's me.
Say it again.
He just said it.
What's your name? What's your name?
You got the audio thing on.
Okay.
It's okay.
I will turn up the reverb.
That's not even drunk. Tell him that's not you.
That's me, that's me.
No, that's not.
Ay, maniwala.
All right, sing without the microphone. Exactly.
Wala ka na.
That's him, Tyler. That's it.
Ayaw maniwala.
Maniwala na.
I'm social
Sing
media.
something else.
To make it cool, I'll share my social media. I have YouTube and TikTok. I have a lot of videos.
What's your name?
I'm Kaloy.
On Instagram.
Yeah, it's from YouTube and TikTok. Okay.
Sing again. Don't press nothing. Move your hand.
You want me to sing again? Okay, let me try.
Sing a different song. Sing Chris Brown.
Ay, nandito na pala tayo.
Alright.
Ano ba yan? Tagal ko. Yan, nasa Lake Mad. Madison Station na tayo. Wala nga tayo. Balik na tayo. Ay, naku. Tagal naman nila Kuya Pres. Balik na nga ako dun sa building. Tagal naman nila. Minapintay pa nila ako. 2 hours later. Ay, nandito na pala tayo. Yun o, Downtown Station. Gabi pa pala dito. Uy, ayun si Kuya Pres.
Pag-uwi mo, boss.
Kuya Pres, nasaan ka na? Pupunta lang ako doon sa
All you
hypermarket.
sitting there using that mic.
Ano ba yan? Tagal mo naman. Kaya ko pa. Ay, naku.
That sound like him, Tyler.
Wala pa nga yung panty ko eh. Dadaan pa nga dito. Nag-order pa ako. Di talaga ako naniniwala.
It's me.
Ay, naku.
He sound good.
Look.
Oh, he got mad views. He got mad views.
Nasusunog.
Check you out.
Yeah.
Naku.
Pronounce your name?
Naku.
Kaloy. Okay.
Tatawagin ko nga yung manager nito.
Okay. Where you from? I can't pronounce it. Philippines?
Ano yung manager dito?
Beautiful voice.
Thank you. Thank you for believing.
I hope you make it
Ay,
big.
naku.
Thank you so much.
Dami nga tayo sa bahay nila.
Ay, happy holidays.
You too.
Tagal kasi nila. Nasaan ang saya ng Pasko? Dapat doon yun kasi yung kanilang staff andoon, iniwan yung anak nila. Ito manager. Kuya! Hala, si Kuya ay mamansin. Kuya, wait lang Kuya. Kuya! Kuya!
Laking mata.
Kuya, yung staff mo Kuya, andoon Kuya. Ay,
Nasali pala.
ay, sorry pala. Kasi,
Bakit
gusto ko,
sa ibang
wala
bansa?
na.
Yun nga, si Philippine Got Talent. American Got
At saka,
Talent.
yung attorney, siyang gumagawa nun. At babi na nga pala. Ako nga pala si subscribe niyo ako sa YouTube. Ako nga pala si Amaris 1419. And 7 subscribers pa lang tayo. Kaya, click the link to subscribe.